What's going on, guys? You guys are with Freshie Sneaker here, and today we're gonna be doing a unboxing. Alright, so it came in the looks like it came in the original box. The same box as like the Social Status Sixers. And off the top we got a card. You guys could pause it if you want to read it. So these are the self-reflected infrared joints. I don't want to record that, so let me pull them out the box for you. Alright, so damn, you can already see the. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you real quick how it looks without flash. You guys could already know what it looks like though. Hold up. Yeah, man. So you got the, and I'm real quick, I'm gonna just show you guys. The material on this is like, I don't know how to explain it. The material on this basically feels like the tongue, kind of similar to the tongue. You know? So with flash on, this is how they look, guys. If you wear them at night, they'll basically be people will see them. Damn, look how sick they look. Damn, these are pretty sick with the flash on. Not even gonna lie. Damn, this is crazy. Look at this. Never seen a shit like this. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, peace out.